how to change the Samsung Blockchain Keystore PIN or password on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down, then in here tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down and then tap on more security settings. Then tap on Samsung Blockchain Keystore. At the top here, tap on change PIN. Then you need to enter in the current PIN. After that, you can enter a new PIN. Then enter that new PIN again to confirm. And that's it. That is how you can change the PIN for the Samsung Blockchain Keystore. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.